Hi darling, so today we're going to be multi-masking with L'Oreal Pure Clay Masks. So I'm going to explain to you guys what's multi-masking. Basically, multi-masking is when you use different face masks to target different parts of your skin. So this way you get the most benefits out of the face masks. First, I'm starting off with Clear and Comfort. As you can see, I've already used a lot of it because this one's my favorite. So this one is what I'm going to apply to the middle of my face because it's good for like clearing pores and stuff. So now I'm going in with this yellow face mask. This is Clarify and Smooth. Quick update, this one did not work well on my face. I ended up getting a lot of pimples where I applied the yellow face mask, so I don't really recommend you buy this one. But the idea behind this one is it's supposed to exfoliate. So maybe my skin didn't like that, I'm not sure, but this is my review of the yellow one. Alright, we're back with a new set of face masks. So right now I'm going to be using Detox Brighten. So this is the black one. I feel like black is pretty much everyone's favorite color for face masks. So this one is supposed to detox and brighten, and I'm going to use this in the same areas which I used the blue one in before. So here we have the orange one. This one's called Exfoliate and Refine. This one actually worked better than the yellow one for me. It didn't cause me any breakouts and it was better to use. I just apply this in the same areas where I used the yellow one. And this is my first time using the orange one, so it worked pretty good.